He waved at the camera every morning. Until one day, the camera waved back. It happened in the United States, when a family installed a doorbell camera after hearing noises at night. Every morning at 6:12 a.m., a man appeared on the footage. Standing across the street. Smiling. He never moved. Never blinked. Never came closer. Just waved. Police were called. They checked the area. No one was found. But the footage continued. Same time. Same man. Same smile. Until one morning, the man was no longer across the street. He was standing at the front door. The camera captured him leaning close and whispering. "I didn't want to wake you." The family fled the house. Police later reviewed the footage again. There was something they missed. In every clip, the man wasn't outside. He was inside the reflection of the door. Subscribe for more real horror stories.